other thing that I want to get for the classroom, I want to get some plants. I didn't say they had to be real, but to have that greenery also warms up the area. You should always have something green. I'm also thinking about bringing Sydney's fish to the classroom that she does not take care of. She does not deserve the little fish. And even if they're holidays, you can get like a thing. It's something you put in and it'll feed the fish for 2 weeks, something like that. My friend has it. Because I was like, you don't need me. So I was house sitting her pets. And I was like, you don't need us to feed your fish? She was like, no, they're fine. So I like that chair. I like that gray chair a lot. Like, this is a cute chair. Cute little reading chair. Okay, I am so excited. I found the table. Remember, I have a $200 budget left over from my fundraiser for the classroom, and this one is perfect. This one is perfect.
Almost stuck my hand in there.
And oh, it's sturdy. How about this one? No. So Bobby, can you take a picture of this so we know how to get it?
Yes, sir.
And you said this one, Bobby? This feels like a toy. I am so excited we found the table. And I looked for a carpet, but somebody was like, oh, you need a super bright carpet. I don't know. I don't want the classroom to look so much like a primary or elementary school classroom. I want it to look mature. I want it to look like a living room. So, you know, to have all those super bright colors. I'm not a super bright color person. So, you know, I like my browns, my earthy colors, my black. You know, I like that contemporary, that cozy, that sexy look. And so when people come in, I'm telling you, trust me, I've done this for 4 years, not a long time compared to some other people, but the kids really respond to it. They can't wait to come to the class, and they hate to leave the class. But don't get it twisted, boo-boo. Don't get it twisted. I will take all that stuff home real quick, honey, with the quickness. Little by little, that stuff will be in my car. That's why I don't do little cars, because I'm always traveling with stuff. Boop, boop. Take it right home. You don't appreciate it, it goes home. So that's why first year teachers, you gotta be strong. And I'm still learning, and I still struggle with this. You have to be consistent. It's a struggle of mine. So I'm still working on it. I'm still working on it. So you gotta try your best to be consistent. And if you're not, think about it, reflect, and then start over and don't let up. And that is my weakness, and I'm working on it, being consistent. All right, girls, I am super happy. I just want to get some plants. So I just want to get some plants. And I think as far as furniture, I think we'll be done by then. I'm super excited. So this right here, that's a stand-up desk. That's a stand-up desk. So if you're looking for other alternatives in your classroom, this is $159 at Ikea. So that's cute. If I didn't have all this stuff in my classroom, I would easily invest in 2 of these. Put it on the wish list. Well, I don't know if you can get this on your wish list. Start a fundraiser, do a GoFundMe. But these will be awesome. You will have to paint them, okay? Because I could see kids writing all over this child. So this will be perfect for a stand-up desk. And that's what it is. Standing desk. It'll be fantastic in a classroom. I absolutely love it. If I didn't have stand-up desks already, this would be in my cart. Period. So that's an option that you can consider. Okay, now this outfit of the day, it looks like a nightgown, but it really isn't. So I actually have on 2 dresses in one, and I figured it goes with the bohemian chic look, and I've already worn this dress, but I put another dress underneath it. So this is 2 dresses. I just didn't want to iron the other dress, and this was too open, and this is open in the back, and it's kind of too big for me, so I figured they went nice together. Yeah, I just felt like being comfortable with the bohemian look again, and my little raggedy boots. So then sometimes I'll have it hanging off the shoulder, you know, try to do that little sexy.
Ready? Oh, you holding all the weight by doing that. Get to the end.
Right, you gotta use your legs. You're gonna hit people. Okay, we are done in Ikea. The girls are getting slushies and their cinnamon rolls. You can't come to Ikea and not get the cinnamon rolls, honey. So, I'm not sure I'll show the things in the hall, in a classroom hall. I got the desk. You guys know what the desk looks like. And I got a few other things. So I just may wait for the big reveal, because I didn't get that much, and they did not have the wallpaper. So now that it's stuck in my head, I'm gonna want to get that paper. So it's stuck in my head, so now I'm gonna be searching for that paper. But I stayed within my budget. I did use the rest of my budget for the classroom. So I started out with $415 because that's what it started with. And you know, I used it for the U-Haul, the Penske, and some other things, and this wiped me out, which I'm very grateful for. So, alright, so I will see you in the classroom. Bye!